Hello, it's a pleasure to have you here once again. Nigeria's political atmosphere appears to be heating up long before the official campaign season begins, and one of the country's most popular entertainers and nightlife entrepreneurs have once again placed himself at the center of national political conversation. Celebrity businessman Pascal Okechukwu, widely known as Cubana Chief Priest, has unveiled a fleet of customized luxury vehicles branded in support of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's expected re-election bid in 2027. The dramatic unveiling has quickly gone viral across social media, attracting admiration from supporters, criticism from opponents, and renewed debate about the growing role of celebrities in Nigerian politics. The luxury campaign convoy includes two vehicles that immediately captured public attention: a Lamborghini Urus, one of the world's most expensive luxury performance SUVs, and a Dongfeng M Hero, both wrapped in an eye-catching campaign colors representing the All Progressive Congress. The vehicles feature large portraits of President Bola Tinubu, Vice President Kashim Shettima, and Seyi Tinubu. Prominently displayed across the bodywork are inscriptions such as City Boy Movement (APC) and Asiwaju Still on Motion, leaving little doubt about the political message being conveyed. For many Nigerians, the images immediately signaled one thing: the race for 2027 may have unofficially begun. Cubana Chief Priest shared videos of customized vehicles on his official Instagram page, where millions of followers watched the luxury campaign machines roll through the streets. His accompanying message was equally bold, declaring that his support for President Tinubu remains unwavering. The celebrity businessman described the project as more than just political branding. According to him, it represents a movement. He declared that it is Asiwaju till 2031, suggesting his belief that President Tinubu deserves not only a second term, but continued political influence well beyond the next election cycle. In a statement that quickly went viral, Cubana Chief Priest also challenged critics in his characteristic outspoken style. Instead of attacking him online, he encouraged supporters of other presidential hopefuls to promote their own candidates. His message was simple: if you support another politician, stop complaining and start campaigning. According to him, while others are busy talking on social media, his own camp prefers action over words. The statement immediately generated thousands of reactions. Supporters of President Tinubu praised the businessman for publicly standing by the president despite intense political criticism from opposition figures. Many APC supporters described the luxury vehicles as a creative campaign strategy that demonstrates confidence ahead of the next general election. Others applauded Cubana Chief Priest for investing his own resources into political advocacy rather than merely expressing support online. But not everyone was impressed. Opposition supporters questioned the timing of the campaign display, arguing that Nigerians remain more concerned about inflation, unemployment, insecurity, rising food prices, and the general cost of living than luxury political branding. Some social media users suggested that political energy should currently be focused on governance rather than election campaigns that are still some distance away. Others questioned the symbolism of showcasing expensive luxury vehicles at a time when many Nigerians continue to struggle economically. The debate quickly expanded beyond the vehicles themselves. Many commentators began discussing the increasingly visible role celebrities now play in shaping Nigerian political landscape. Over the last decades, entertainers, musicians, actors, comedians, and social media influencers have become more voices during election seasons. Their endorsement often reach millions of young Nigerians and can significantly influence political conversations online. Cubana Chief Priest is no longer a stranger to political controversy. In recent years, he has repeatedly declared his support for President Tinubu and the APC, openly distancing himself from Peter Obi and other opposition figures. He has consistently defended his political choices, insisting that every Nigerian has a constitutional right to support whichever candidate they believe can move the country forward. As director of City Boy Movement in Imo State, his latest campaign vehicles reinforce his continued commitment to mobilizing support for the ruling party. Whether the luxury convoy changes, political opinions remain uncertain. However, one thing is beyond dispute. It has succeeded in attracting national attention. Political branding has always been part of election campaigns, but using exotic vehicles worth hundreds of millions of naira has elevated the conversation to another level. For political analysts, the unveiling may also indicate how competitive the 2027 presidential race is already becoming. Although official campaigns have not yet commenced, politicians, support groups, influencers, and political movements appear increasingly eager to position themselves ahead of what is expected to be another fiercely contested election. As Nigerians continue debating governance, economic reforms, security, and the country's future, symbolic displays such as these are likely to become more frequent. Supporters see them as expressions of loyalty. Critics view them as political spectacle. Either way, Cubana chief priests have once again achieved exactly what he is known for, capturing public attention. Whether one applauds his enthusiasm or questions his priorities, the customized Lamborghini and campaign convoys have ensured that his message has reached millions of Nigerians. With 2027 still ahead, one thing is already becoming clear. Nigeria's next political battle is gradually moving from speeches and rallies to social media, celebrity influence, and highly visible public displays designed to dominate headlines and shape public perception. The road to 2027 may still be long, but for Cubana chief priests, the campaign energy is already running. I am Chimezrim Okoro. Thanks for watching.